The quest for the truth can prove to be the most despondent of tasks. At times, it may seem a lost cause, a mission impossible. So rough and rugged may be the terrain traversed that one tends to lose hope. Yet, if a person persists in this quest and keeps searching for that elusive needle in the haystack, he might feel a divine force grasping his hands and taking him to the brink of his destination. He would then feel God, experience Him. Doors are opened, locks unbolted, the concealed revealed, the unknown known. Jesus, peace be upon Him, is reported to have said, "Ask and it will be given to you. Seek and you will find. Knock and the door will be opened to you. For everyone who asks receives. He who seeks finds. And to him who knocks the door will be opened." A person who has gone through this experience is sure to learn that despair is the worst enemy of this yearning for the truth. He is bound to realize that to hope when there is no hope and to keep going when the going gets tough is the only way that may lead to success. To strive, to struggle, and to never lose hope is what he should keep on doing. For even if failure vanquishes him, he should know that it is the effort undertaken that would ultimately count. He would be able to stand up in the next world and say to the Almighty, "Lord, I had sought to seek the truth with all my mind, with all my heart, and with all my soul."